Learn how students learn EVS. EVS curriculum focuses on the learning by doing method. Students are taught to interact with their environment to adapt and learn. They learn better when they are actively engaged in the learning process. For example, students learn to understand the particulate nature of matter by playing the role of particles in solid, liquid, and gaseous molecules. They learn how matter behaves in different states and how to differentiate between them. In another EVS topic, students study sedimentary rocks by using actual sedimentary rocks. They are made to observe and analyze these rocks to learn their physical properties and their various uses. This way, students learn to reflect, respond, and retain these scientific concepts. In partner schools, our students have shown a 74% mastery in EVS across classes. And that is how we are making thousands of students independent thinkers across India.